elsewhere between 120 nautical miles and 480 nautical miles north quadrant, and 300 nautical miles southeast semicircle, winds 35 to 50 knots. Seas 13 to 24 feet. Also east of a line from 65 north, 40 west, 260 north, 52 west, 255 north, 54 west, 48 north, 60 west, 238 north, 66 west, winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 10 to 18 feet. Gale warning. Low east of area 67 north, 33 west, 984 millibars, moving northeast 25 knots. Over ice-free forecast waters north of 61 north and east of 40 west, winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 10 to 16 feet. 24-hour forecast low and associated conditions east of area. Gale warning. Low 62 north, 50 west, 987 millibars, moving northeast 30 knots. Within 720 nautical miles south and southeast quadrant, and 480 nautical miles west quadrant, winds 25 to 40 knots. Seas 12 to 18 feet. 24-hour forecast low east of area 65 north, 7 west, 985 millibars. Over forecast waters north of 53 north and east of 41 west, winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 12 to 21 feet. 48 hours forecast low and associated conditions area. Gale warning. 48-hour forecast new low 60 north, 59 west, 976 millibars. Within 480 nautical miles north quadrant, winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 8 to 12 feet. Heavy freezing, stay warning. Moderate to heavy freezing, stay over ice-free forecast waters northwest and west of a line from 65 north, 35 west, 262 north, 49 west, 260 north, 55 west, 255 north, 57 west. 24-hour forecast moderate to heavy freezing. Stay north of 62 north, west of Greenland, and from 58 north, 262 north, west of 57 west. 48-hour forecast moderate to heavy freezing. Stay north of 55 north and west of 56 west. Synopsis and forecast. From 36 north to 41 north, east of 48 west, winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 12 feet. 24-hour forecast conditions east of area. Dense fog. Visibility occasionally less than 1 nautical miles over ice-free forecast waters from 42 north to 45 north, between 57 west and 65 west. 24-hour forecast dense fog from 41 north to 54 north, between 42 west and 55 west. 48-hour forecast dense fog from 49 north to 62 north, east of 39 west. High 46 north, 37 west, 1036 millibars, moving northeast 20 knots. 24-hour forecast high east of area. 24-hour forecast high 32 north, 39 west, 1028 millibars. 48-hour forecast high 31 north, 41 west, 1025 millibars. 48-hour forecast high 33 north, 73 west, 1028 millibars. Forecaster note. Ocean Prediction Center. National Hurricane Center, Miami, Florida, Atlantic from 07 north to 31 north, west of 35 west, including Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico. Synopsis valid 1800 coordinated universal time Friday, March 22. 24-hour forecast valid 1800 coordinated universal time Saturday, March 23. 48-hour forecast valid 1800 coordinated universal time Sunday, March 20. Warning. None. Synopsis and forecast. Atlantic cold front from 31 north, 60 west, 226 north, 68 west, 221 north, 76.5 west. North of 28 north, within 150 nautical miles east of front, southwest winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas to 10 feet. North of 29 north, west of front between 67 west and 75 west, west winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 8 to 11 feet in northeast 12. Elsewhere north of 27 north, west of front at 78 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 to 9 feet in northeast 12. 24-hour cold front from 31 north, 59 west, 226 north, 65 west, then stationary to 20 north, 77 west. North of 29 north, within 120 nautical miles east of front, southwest winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas to 8 feet. North of 28 north, west of front, the line from 31 north, 74 west, to 28 north, 69 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 to 11 feet in northwest 12. 48-hour forecast cold front from 31 north, 61 west, to 24 north, 63 west, then weakening stationary front to 22 north, 78 west. North of 27 north, within 90 nautical miles east of front, winds 20 knots or less. Seas to 9 feet in northwest 12. Within 120 nautical miles north of stationary front between 69 west and 77 west, northeast to east, winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas to 8 feet east of Bahamas. Elsewhere north of 26 north, west of front at 79 west, winds 20 knots or less. Seas 8 to 11 feet in northwest 12. Caribbean 06-hour forecast from 10 north to 12.5 north, between 74 west and 76.5 west, north to northeast, winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas less than 8 feet. 24-hour forecast winds 20 knots or less. Seas less than 8 feet. 30-hour forecast from 11 north to 13 north, between 70 west and 76 west, northeast to east, winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas less than 8 feet. 48-hour forecast from 10.5 north to 12.5 north, between 73.5 west and 77 west, northeast, winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas to 8 feet. Remainder of the winds 20 knots or seas less than 8 feet. Forecaster Sdrplay, National Hurricane Center. This is United States Coast Guard Communications Command. Out.